Kaliroy Fresh is our company, and technically the largest tomato grower in North America. Own the land, buy the seeds, plant the plants, so fully vertically integrated, full control over the supply chain, and we grow tomatoes year-round, Roma tomatoes, round tomatoes, grape tomatoes, mixed medley. Started some mini sweet peppers and continue to expand on new items as well. For me, it's fun and exciting to work with Kaliroy. It's an easy sell on our product, and our team is very energetic about new products, new customers. We're always continuing to grow and reinvest. So it's not stagnant at all. It's fun. It's kind of choose your own adventure. It's different every day. So it makes it fun. I like working around that energy, as opposed to okay, we made it, we're good, let's just chill. We continue to grow and change and adapt. Honestly, iTrade helps us a lot. It's just nice having a system that it interacts with the buying side and the selling side, where we can clearly see quantities, prices. If something's in transit, we can do invoicing. Just makes it a lot easier versus some buyers are still using email or PDFs, and it's just a mess as far as keeping everything consistent and making sure that it matches up. So I really like iTrade just because it's a easy system to make sure everything matches and kind of communicate the order entry and all the way to the invoicing. I know for Kroger, for example, it's like that's how we get paid. So it's it's very critical. So I've always enjoyed it. Used iTrade for over 20 years, and iTrade definitely helps us save time, because we can avoid like a string of 20 emails just by looking at one order and then making sure that the buyer agrees with the seller, and seeing if it's in transit. So it really does save us a lot of time. For us, it's an easy sell if we approach retail or food service, because really the buyer's main concern is, are they going to get covered throughout the year? And it's easy for us because we have, like I said, full control over the supply chain. We produce year-round. We don't have any outside growers or brokers, so it makes a compelling case to say, hey, I want to work with Kaliroy because I know I'm going to get covered year-round and on time, in full, the right quality as everyone cares about, kind of those nuts and bolts.